Two chemtrails it has. Come out the tail. Right the tail, look at that. Yeah, you're gonna tell me that's from the engine and that's a contrail. Have a good fucking look. Have a look. It's like a fucking stunt plane. Pouring shit out the tail. I'm sorry. I don't buy you little bullshit story. I'm turning and I've got a washing line in front of me. Let him go. It's all out the tail. Have a look. Look at it. You can actually hear it from here. Pretty weird. Must be lower than normal. That's all out the tail. Obstacles in front of me, sorry. And so that's the sun shining off it. No, it's not a horse. It's not an alien. It's a normal plane. It's a New Zealand aeroplane going to Perth. It's got people on it. I'm not looking out the back window. If they do, they'll just give them another drink. No freebie. Look at it. No, they're not all. That's the sun. The sun's in the right spot, shining off the plane. You saw it was a plane before. Don't kid yourself. Don't let humans off the hook for poisoning humans. Don't keep blaming aliens. They that had better technology than we will. Look at that. Look at that fucking trail coming out. Jesus. That's humans doing it to humans. And let's pull back a bit. Look at that. Look at that fat trail coming out that fucker. If you can't get your head around chemtrails, go back to bed. You don't believe they're spraying us? Come and live in a major city.